Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to convert USDC to USDT on Binance. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Binance mobile application and then you need to tap on this Binance icon in the top left hand corner. After that, you need to tap on the More Services option. Then you are going to see all of the More Services options provided by Binance. Now among these options, you need to use the search bar in the top, and in the search bar, you will have to search for Convert. Once you do this, you will be landed on this conversion page where, as we want to convert USDC to USDT, you will have to tap on the From tab and then you will have to search for USDC. Now after tapping on USDC, you need to tap on the To section, and this time you will have to search for USDT here. Then you need to enter the amount of USDC that you want to convert into USDT, and then you need to tap on Preview Conversion in the bottom. Then you need to tap on the Convert button again, and within 10 seconds you just have to complete your conversion. This way you will be able to convert your USDC into USDT on Binance. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.